Okay, Jim, let's try this again. What I'm going to do is send out a couple of more emails, and we'll do that by bringing up a little list here. I'm going to send an email to ptag. It's a bit better of an interface. I wanted to show you a couple other things in it. Here's the invoice, and let's clean up the text. And we are going to drop a PDF file in there, just a simulated invoice. I'm gonna make another one up. Let's compose another mail. I should send this one out. Now we're going to compose a mail to ptag. This time from this account. Here is what we're going to this time just attach a JPEG to it. Won't bother putting any notes in there. I will, although, take the word bang here and I'm going to bold it and Roy more and italicize it to show that we're going to keep the HTML, the view of the HTML when we bring the bodies of the emails in. And so I'm going to send this one in, and let's do one more from this account to ptag. The subject, here are the invoices. Now, we're going to put a couple of these in. We're going to put a PDF file, a Word doc, and a spreadsheet. It's going to bring all three of them in. These are for the people we spoke about. Okay. I am now going to send this one. And now we should have, if I do a refresh here, it's saying I see 3 different emails that have come in. The very first one's supposed to go to Jeff Elveld. The second one, because it's a different email address, goes to Ryan Lowe, and the third one goes to Gabrielle. Or it comes from those people, sorry, not goes to. So now what I've done is I've also got it so we could do send out a quick email to this person. Say you read something on what they've done and you need to send them something quick. It'll quickly send an email to that person. You just type a note in, and there'll also be one. Sometimes I'm guessing you get something with no attachments with it. And the word yes isn't there. It's just got 2 minus signs, and then you could right click and just say send no attachments email. It'll put into the body of the email, there's no attachment here, please send again. Make it very quick to reply out. So we'll just go through this one like normal. We're gonna import this one. It knows who it's for. There, you notice it's a nicer look because like I said, the HTML is preserved. I'm just gonna notice the file that came in was a PDF file. I also can right click and just launch that file, and there is a view of the PDF. It's just got a bunch of logos in there, but that's an example of just being able to take a look at the file if we need to. I mean, because you want to make sure it's for the right person. So I just say go ahead and process it. That file there goes and becomes the new file name. We'll go on to the second one here. Let's go to this one, import it. It's saying there's one file here. It's a JPEG. I can go ahead and view the JPEG if we wanted to. I just threw a JPEG of our dog in there. And notice the HTML is preserved here. That's going into the body of the email. And I go ahead and say process the email. And the very last one here, I'm going to import it. Now this had 3 attachments, or was it 2 attachments? I forget. No, 3 attachments there. If I need to set these up for specific people, I can do that. Oh, I didn't bring this one wide enough. So change the contractor, the first one, to that person. Let's also change the date of this one. And we're going to change the contractor on this one. And change the contractor on this one. So we now have the contractors as if they brought in that one for that person, that one for that person, that one for that. We now can go ahead and say process the attachments. Those 3 now get brought down to there. We have no email messages left. I just cleaned up the interface and I wanted to show you what a cleaned up look would be. So you don't have to see all the noise on it. You just, if there's an email there, it'll come up in here when you hit refresh messages, and it'll just show you the list. Now we've got a big list of, I'll just go show you there's the emails that have come in through that table. That's both the email date it was received and the actual time it was received. And this is the data on the specific email, which contractor it was for, which client the contractor had, which pay period, the original file name, the new file name, and the actual attachment gets put into a blob file. So I hope that cleans up a little bit of the interface and shows you what we can do. We can certainly put another interface with some statuses, and that'll change colors based on the status. So we'd have another pop-up window that just gives a list of current statuses, and you can say, show me just the files that are in process or half completed or needs authorization or whatever your statuses want to be. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.